Toys kids want. Toys are fun to play with. We all love toys. Building blocks. Build your imagination. It encourages STEM learning in kids. The next toy is dolls. Dolls are loved and cared. It is loved by kids all over the world. Cars. Cars are loved by children. They use it for racing and they just love it. Fun doll. Squish and shape. Children love to play with doll. Rubik cube. It twists your brain and makes you think. It is a unique toy. Nerf guns. This is gaining popularity and kids just love to shoot with it. Uno cards. This is also loved and a lot of kids play Uno. Over 150 million Uno decks have been sold. Teddy bears and plush toys. These are evergreen toys found in almost all homes across the world. Picasso tiles. This is also quite fun to play with and children just loved it. If you liked the video, please subscribe.